Hello friends, today I will discuss how to connect Linux server machine which is installed in Oracle VM VirtualBox from PuTTY. Let's start. Open the PuTTY configuration terminal, then type the IP address or host name. Let's check the IP address. Here is the IP address is 192.168.1.254. Now we will load 192.168.1.254. I will do SSH in port number 22. Now first of all I want to tell you the configuration. When I install Oracle VirtualBox, then at that time we will see one more LAN card called VirtualBox host only network. Here I need to check the IP address. Here the IP address is 192.168.1.1. You need to change the IP address. You need to match the IP address. Here the IP address is. We keep the IP address in same range, otherwise it will not connect. Let's click open. In this server machine, the login username is root and the password is red hat. Okay. In Oracle VirtualBox, I will show the network setting. Here I have chosen host only adapter because we are connecting the virtual machine from my host machine. Here host machine is my base machine. Okay, now click OK. This is the way to connect Oracle virtual machine from PuTTY. Thank you.